Hi everyone, we're going to make a clay mug. You will need clay, scoring tools, slip or water, and a mat so your clay does not get stuck to the table. First step is to make a pinch pot. Roll a ball, stick your thumb in, and pinch. Make sure you pinch and turn and pinch and turn and pinch and turn until it's about even all the way around. You can also press it down on the table so the bottom gets nice and flat. You don't want your mug rolling all around. When it's on the table, you can press the bottom a little more. Make sure you're pinching the bottom and the sides. All right, set that aside. Next piece of clay, we're gonna start like a pinch pot. Make a ball. When you stick your thumb in this time, you're gonna go all the way through to the other side. You might end up with a little extra clay you can just set to the side. Now I'm gonna pinch the sides again. This is gonna make my cup taller. As I pinch, I'm turning it and turning it. I'm making sure my fingers stay flat. I'm not poking into the clay. And I want it to be about the same size, so I'm gonna pinch it a little bit more. I'm gonna pinch this side to open that up a little bit. Don't pull it apart, make sure you pinch. All right, whatever end you think fits better, that's the side you're gonna attach. Now I need to scratch to attach. You can use a fork or a little wooden tool. Scratch the parts of clay that are gonna touch each other. Use your finger, dab, dab, dab. Don't rub, dab, so the water goes into those lines. And then you squish it together. Make sure you press that seam. I'm holding my fingers on the inside of the cup and the outside. Erase that line. Again, I'm rubbing on the inside and the outside. This part of your cup, you also want to be really smooth. If you're actually going to drink out of it or you're going to give it to someone as a gift, the part where you put your mouth when you drink out of it needs to be nice and smooth. Okay, next I need a handle. Grab another piece of clay. If it's too much, you can break some off. I just like to squeeze it in my hand. I want to make sure this handle is big enough for my hand to fit. The clay shrinks a little bit when it goes in the kiln. So if you can't fit more than one finger in it now, it's going to be even smaller when it goes in the kiln. Okay, this is pretty good, but it might be a little too big for my cup now. So I'm going to break some off. That looks pretty good to me. Now I got to scratch to attach again. This is a little bit smaller, so I'm going to scratch with this tool instead of the fork. That's where I want my handle to go. I'm going to make this part more flat. Where it's going to connect. Don't forget to add slip or water. And when I squish it on, I'm holding one hand on the inside so I'm not pressing into my cup and collapsing it. I don't want it to lose its shape. You can still see a little bit of a line here, so I'm going to smooth that out some more. And I'm going to make sure my handle is really connected like this. That's it. Before you put it on the shelf, make sure you write your name or ask your teacher to write your name and your class.